Alright, so I'm just going to do a quick video here. Hopefully you can see me. It's pretty late out right now, but I just wanted to let people know I do have a purchase agreement on another project car. So I did a little video and here it is. It's a 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 convertible. It has been repainted. It's originally a really light green, almost a white. Really actually a pretty green. Black interior. The only thing really bad on the interior is the padded dash needs some work, and there's a 1-inch rip on top of the one seats. It's got 76 or 78,000 miles. It's got a 352 4-barrel, dual exhaust, missing the mufflers, but it doesn't run. It's been parked for over 40 years, so it's going to take some work to get the thing going now. I couldn't get the engine to turn. The owner says that he has turned the motor over. It is free and does turn, but I tend to doubt that because the belts look rusted into the pulleys, and I think the car had 76 plates on it, so it's been sitting a long time. So you're going to see just a short video clip of it, and then when I'm going to pay the guy tomorrow and get the title and keys, and then the following week when I rearrange things here, this is going to probably go up to Dad's, and then I'm going to get the car brought here, and we'll start doing some videos and tearing into it. So here's the clip of the car I have a purchase agreement on. So again, enjoy, and thank you for watching my videos.
I'd like to find an old Bronco, the older little ones. Because I would restore it and make it my everyday driver and drive it.
They actually pull in pretty good money.
Oh, they're pulling big though. I had somebody wanted to trade me a 60-something international pickup truck, like a Scout. I wasn't interested in it.
Yeah, the little spot in the seat right there.
That's
the only thing I see.
And that can be sold.
And the dash has the padded dash.
The dash needs to be replaced. You can't do nothing with that.
And the convertible top, obviously.
Yeah. Drive it in the summer, you don't have to put a top on it right away.